Weichai Lovol Intelligent Agricultural is the largest agricultural equipment brand in China and the only Chinese brand that provides total mechanization solutions for modern agriculture. The global R&D center consists of the China Research Institute, the Japan R&D Center, and the Austria VDS Innovation Center. 6 global intelligent manufacturing bases with world-class intelligent manufacturing levels. The front axle, rear axle, engine, transmission, and other core components of agricultural equipment are developed and manufactured independently. It has produced and sold 6 million units of various types of machinery since its establishment. Meanwhile, Weichai Lovol Intelligent Agricultural has created China's first intelligent agricultural solution, iFarming, which provides scientific management and business decision-making solutions for cultivating, seeding, management, and harvesting. In 2021, Weichai Group strategically reorganized the Lovol and entered the agricultural equipment field. Weichai Group is one of the competitive automotive and equipment manufacturing groups in China, and is China's only enterprise that has 3 major business platforms of complete vehicles, powertrains, and auto parts. Weichai Group is a global leading, full-series, and a full-field general-purpose power supplier. The company has established cutting-edge technology innovation centers in many countries and holds such global famous brands as France Baodoing, Italy Verity, Germany Lind Hydraulics, and Kion, United States PSI, and Dematic. Weichai Group has integrated internal resources and built a golden industrial chain of agricultural equipment: Weichai engine, fast transmission, hand axle, Lind hydraulic, Lovol agricultural machinery. Weichai Lovol Intelligent Agricultural is aimed at a diversity of agricultural machinery products. The tractor products have M platform, P platform, and F platform products. The M platform tractors include TE, TB, TH, TX, TD, TR, and TN series with power selection from 25 to 300 horsepower compact tractors to professional high-horsepower tractors. A wide range of products for recreational agriculture, orchards, farming, municipal work, field management, multi-purpose work, and large ploughing operations. The P-platform tractors cover P1000 to P9000 series, including 20 to 500 horsepower tractors for paddy, dryland, and orchard operations, mainly using PowerShift and CVT PowerShift technology under various agricultural working conditions. The F platform product is F4000, and the product power ranges from 75 to 110 horsepower. This product has the advantages of large power, narrow body, and matching different equipment. This tractor is designed for various orchards and vineyards. Wheel harvesting machinery includes GE, GM, GK, GV, and other platforms. The feeding amount is from 6 kilograms per second to 12 kilograms per second, and the cutting width is from 2 to 7 meters. The main crops are wheat, soybean, peanut, corn, sunflower, buckwheat, sorghum, and so on. The crawler harvesting machine includes AF platform and RG platform with a power range of 88 to 125 horsepower, the feeding rate of 4 to 7 kilograms per second, and a cutting width of 2 to 2.3 meters. This machine is developed for harvesting rice, wheat, corn grains, and the beans. Up to now, Weichai Lovol Intelligent Agricultural has exported a total of 200,000 complete machines, ranking first in the export of China's agricultural machinery industry for 17 consecutive years, covering more than 120 countries and regions, and establishing more than 500 overseas distribution channels. The company has always been adhering to the customer-oriented center service concept, with over 1,000 authorized service parts networks all over the world. The parts reserve of over 50 million US dollars, 100% original parts guarantee. In the next 5 to 10 years, Weichai Lovol Intelligent Agricultural will focus on intelligent agricultural machinery and intelligent agriculture, continue to increase investment in technological innovation, open up and integrate resources, provide global users with the most valuable complete sets of solutions for agricultural equipment, and build a leading brand in the global smart agriculture technology industry.